Hello everybody, it's 1 a.m. and come get ready with me to do my makeup. You're probably wondering, why am I doing my makeup at 1 a.m.? Wala lang! Bakit trip ko lang? Gusto ko lang maging maganda. Because lately, my skin is not giving. I have been having breakouts. Grabe, last year, sobrang kinis ko last year. I don't know what happened. But anyway, let's ignore sadness. Let's do my makeup. Ignore my room. My room is a mess. I got freebies, girl. So sa recent shoot ko with Secret, I got freebies. I got 3 new sunscreens from Supergoop. And actually, I'm giving one to my mom, and I'm keeping this too. Why? Just because I earned it. But am I gonna use them now? No. Lalabas ba ako? Hindi. Magme-makeup lang naman ako dyan. So first, I'm gonna be using this. This is like my perfect shade match. Miss Nina always knows what she's doing. Like, can you tell the difference? No, bitch. Just let me be beautiful. I'm having a mental breakdown, guys. I am having a little bit of a mental breakdown. It's okay. I'm gonna be okay. Girl, ang lala. Like, naduduling ako sa ano. Sorry, guys. May pagkabanlag ako minsan. It's not my fault. Bakit makeup? Sabi niya, bakit makeup? Bakit ako nagme-makeup? Kasi nagme-mental breakdown ako! Sorry, that's not the ladylike. Actually, this is somehow as a shade. What? I just use this to cover my red spots, my imperfections. At this point, I don't care if I die or not. I just want to be beautiful forever. No, I just want to have clear skin forever. Somehow, this shit is not working out for moi. Okay, it's time for me to blend this shit. I still have some makeup that I need to buy, even though I get so much freebies. Tagalog accent just came out of nowhere. Like, I need my mascara, but I actually ordered some online na. Oh, by the way, I am using Colorette's third base. This is their invisible setting powder. I feel like I need to use a lot. I don't know, Miss Nina, am I doing this right? This is just how I do my makeup. I'm kind of stuck in 2016. I can never do that. No makeup look? No, never. No, it has to be sort of full coverage because I really need to get rid of everything in my face. It needs to be covered, darling. I feel like may kulang. If I try to minimize my makeup as much as possible, like, I feel like there's something missing. What is missing? Eyelashes.
Motherfucking where is it? Where the fuck is it?
Cut my life into pieces. This is my last resort.
Suffocation!
Hindi sila pantay! Brush, brush, brush. 3 times a day. At least after ko mag-makeup, I could send the picture to Archie to show my pretty face. Pretty Kulang yung pilik mata ko, be. Next time, I'm gonna be doing my makeup with lashes on, okay? Okay, it's still not here. Let's wait for the courier, guys. Let's wait for my TikTok shop. Tapos, pagdating ng TikTok ko, tapos nakita ni Boss Archie, sasabihin niya sa akin, ano na naman binili mo? Wala pa tong 200 pesos. Huwag ka magalit sa akin. You know, I could do my makeup in less than 20 minutes. Do you see that? May blush on ba? Oh! I forgot to put lip balm on. But who cares? I'm not going anywhere, right? Oh, this is from Colorette, guys. Ito yung bagong nilabas ni Miss Nina. Oh! This is in the shade Sizzle. Because we want to sizzle tonight. Do you see that? I'm just gonna let this dry and then... And lastly, I'm gonna be using Kiko Milano Hydro Lip Gloss. Because who doesn't want Kiko Milano? Okay, and this is my finished look. I'm gonna take selfies now. Bye!